Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can connect your eBay sales channel to your Shopify store. So let's get in. You want to go over to the left-hand side and you can see the sales channel on the left-hand side over here on this menu. You want to tap on this. Now from here, you will be able to go down to apps and sales channel settings. You can then look for on the top right hand side Shopify app store. Now there are two things that you need to know. First of all, if you are able to actually integrate the official eBay sales channel app, then you're going to use that one. If you are not able to find the eBay official app, all right, you will have to use a third-party app which will provide the exact same services. So you can see there are a few here, but the one I'm going to use is the eBay importer by InfoShore. The eBay integration and sync is also pretty good, but we're going to use this one over here. Now, the second thing you need to know is your eBay account. You need to be signed into your eBay account. This just makes this process a whole lot easier. So we are here now on this page and you want to tap on install, and this will now install the eBay importer by InfoShore app. So we can now go ahead and tap on install, and this will now install this app or begin the process of installing this app on your Shopify store. Again, here the install app, we're going to tap on install at the bottom, and then you are going to have to allow permission to have these two apps integrated. All right, so now we are in the dashboard of that InfoShore apps. Okay, so what we want to do is on the left-hand side, it says eBay account. We're going to click on this eBay account, and in here, you can go over to the marketplace. So over here in Marketplace, you want to select the eBay extension that you are currently using. You can check this by going onto your eBay account and just going into the top of your search bar, and you can actually see your URL. It says .com. Okay, we're done here. We're going to click here to connect eBay account. Now what will happen is you will have the opportunity to select what email address you're using and what account you would like to sync. So you can see over here it's given me my details, and here I'm going to click on continue with Google. Now this will use this account to jump in and sign in to eBay. The next thing is a fast and secure sign in. We're going to skip this for now. However, I do suggest that for security reasons you activate this. And here you want to just agree to the multi-channel inventory management solution. We're going to just tap on agree. And now this is set up and synced. Now, if you go over to your Shopify store on your homepage and you go into apps, you will see that this is it right over here. And once you click on it, it'll open up this page again. And this is where you will basically manage everything within your eBay account. You can import and manage products all the way into your Shopify store. If this was a helpful guide, don't forget to drop us a like, show some support, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out, people.